Hello everyone, hello after Christmas. Hope you had a nice time. And I was sitting a lot during the night last night and I found this new dapp. And I gotta tell you, I really like it. I really like it from the first time. Then now I know that it was done by the BNBSTAKE team, which it's very good, because they were one of the first, if not the first people who done such a contract, investing platform on BSC, Roy smart contract, and they managed to work for a couple of weeks. A lot of people were there, so a lot of people knew about it. And some, there were winners and losers, like always. So, but this one is a bit different, I think that they are now experienced and they know that they could have done a lot of things better. And I think this is now a better version of such a platform. As you can see, it's audited by HazeCrypto, so that's all I need. That's the best company, very reputable, so very nice. The design is just, I love it. It's a retro, like a neon type. I really like it. It's heavy, It sometimes it loads. Load times are a bit long, but whatever. You can go to audit conclusion here. You can see video audit, so it's really yeah, audited and designed very well. So basically how it works is you get 25% daily for 10 days, so your ROI is 250%, so 150% is clean profit for you, after 10 days. So it's a lot, and usually such platforms were very long, short term. But what they did, they introduced reinvestment rule. So in order to participate, when you withdraw your dividends, you will have to 25% of your withdrawn BNB will be automatically reinvested. So if you want to withdraw say 1 BNB, and you can do it only once per day, and I like all of these rules because they are good for sustainability of this contract. So if you withdraw 1 BNB, you'll get 0.7 BNB and 0.3 BNB, I mean 0.75, and 0.25 BNB will be reinvested and will work for you and get you even more profit. So yeah, during the time it will work, it's better for you, but and it's better for the whole system. Besides the obligatory reinvestment rule, they introduced 1% daily price pool and 10% reinvestment bonus. If you don't withdraw, you only reinvest, you get to the specified sum they put in the contract. You'll get bonus for being for being a good investor from the platform, because if you don't withdraw, then you're providing balance on the contract. All right, so the referral program is huge, for passive investment builders, for team building people who recommend. Well, it's a gold mine, it's a gold mine. Altogether is 20% in the marketing plan. 10, 5, 3, 2, 1. So yeah, it's a lot, so I'm sure it will be spread all over YouTube. So smart contract, you can go to the smart contract, which I always do. You can analyze, you can look how many people are depositing. So well, that can give you some data. If you want to analyze it anyway, you can. Yeah, as you can see, there are a lot. From the first page, we can see a lot of people are depositing small amounts. Contract balance right now is almost 3,000 BNB. contract is verified and audited. It's online. Look, it was verified in BSC scan yesterday, so it's like I'm not sure if it even has 24 hours. So it's fresh, it's early. Time to go now. The best time to enter such contracts is in the beginning. You know, every day passes, the risk is getting higher. So I always try to enter as soon as I can. You know, no thinking, just going in, because this is how it works. So they also have insurance fund. Some part of money they make goes to the insurance fund. Admin fees are like 6 plus 1, so only like 6 or 7%. Pretty low, considering most of the admins take 10%. So that's also good. It looks good. Totally invested in the contract now. So not on what's on the balance right now, but you know, totally invested is almost 4,000 BNB. Reinvested only 43, so not a lot of people are doing withdrawals right now. So as you can see, only a few people withdrawn. This is why, because you can only withdraw once a day, and believe me, that's very important, because you know that will keep balance steady, and some people won't panic too early, you know, because they will eventually panic, and it will eventually, the balance will be depleted, you know. But what we are trying to do, me and my team, and you know, my subscribers, some of them at least, we are trying to beat these things, you know. So it's a war, you know. They're like winners and losers. Winners are usually people who go in, you know, in the beginning, and they withdraw. They withdraw what they can. That's my strategy. Always. We have all over 2,000 users right now, so it's growing really fast. Here is where you withdraw. As you can see, I only did a test deposit for 0.1, and I also have it on my phone, tested on Trust Wallet. It works. So yeah, but you know, it's better to show it on the MetaMask. So I decided to show you this, how it works on MetaMask. But you can use Trust Wallet. It works very well. It's tested, and this is what I recommend. If you wanna make an investment, you can, you know, like use these templates here. So if you wanna invest, like say 1 BNB, you click here 1, but you can also put it manually. Like I want to invest 0.9, so I will have the whole BNB here invested, because you know I like this one. I usually put like small amounts, but this one is really, you know, the design and everything, you know, the team. I reviewed it, you know, I have done my research, went to Telegram, and talked with people. They, you know, people like it, so you know, that is why I am alright with investing 1 BNB, which is at the moment $400, and I am very bullish on BNB. I think it can go over $1K anytime soon. I mean, until at the end of the year, it will surpass 1,000 for sure, for sure. Okay, so we will invest now, because I deposited some BNB to my wallet. We will pay a fee. All right, everything is fine. So always check, you know, always check everything. Okay, so it will be deposited right now. I will see some confirmations. Yeah, and you'll see my investment went to 1 BNB, and I will now get a quarter of BNB every day, and some part of it will go to reinvestment. What you need to do in order to be able, like I shown, you need to have a MetaMask wallet or Trust Wallet. In the description of this video, there will be instructions how to do it, you know, if you don't want to watch the whole video. So referrals, we have a rich referral program here. This is a blank account, so it's 0 right now here. So you'll see it's you'll see your ref link here. If you want to recommend, if you want to show it to anybody, You can use your ref link, copy paste it on your social media with the description. You can take the description from the description of in my video. There will be some short description of how it works, and share. Maybe you'll earn some additional BNB. Why not, right? All right. So there is also a contest every day. Like I said, there right now the users that are taking like contesting, there are 18 users. I know exactly how it works. Well, that's just a nice addition which I like, because I like that it has so many features. That is why I think I'm bullish on this project. And they have a few Telegram groups in different languages. You can go there, if you're having questions, whatever you wanna check the team, you wanna just do your research, go there. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you're not my subscriber, subscribe if you can, if you want, if you like my content. You can also leave me a like or a comment. Comments have to be accepted by me, because there's a lot of shit in the comments. So for now, I decided to just accept comments that are not like spam with some scammy stuff. All right, guys, thank you very much. See you soon. Have a great day.